Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a botanical swiping with cardboard, playing cards. I've got these plastic little swipe tools that I got from Tracy Reed Designs. She has an Etsy shop, and she makes all her stuff. So I have those. I'm not sure what exactly I'm using. I might use this one here. I don't know for sure. Yeah, I got a bunch of different cardboard, plastic, whatever that I'm going to use. I cut them up to whatever size I want. I'm going to probably spread the base on with this one here. And I did a little bit of a drawing ahead of time of kind of how I want it to go. Not sure if it'll end up looking like that, but that's what I'm going to try and do. Something like that, anyways. So I usually put water on the base, and I mix my water with I mix my water with Winsor Newton Flow Improver, and it helps keep the canvas a little bit on the wet side, and it helps things flow a bit, so the paint doesn't dry as quickly, so it keeps moist while I'm doing my swipe. I mix the colors with Zinsser Latex extender. It's basically what they use to mix with house paint. It's kind of like a Floetrol, but it's clear, and it works okay. So I was using this for some of my other acrylic pouring, so I thought I would thin my paints with this. And also I add water, distilled water, as well as the base too. The base, I think I add, yeah, no, that's what I add to my base, as well as the colors on top. So my colors I'm using are Prussian blue. I've got ultramarine deep blue. It's mixed with a different blue, so it's not really that dark. I've got Artist Loft Naples Yellow. Oops, that's a little bit of blue in there for some reason. And I've got some Gold Yellow by Amsterdam. And they've all been thinned down. The consistency is somewhat like a Dutch pour. It's very thin. Gotta mix this up. Okay. I'm pouring over a canvas that I tried to do another painting on, and didn't work out, so I just spread all the paint out. So I just spread the paint out, so that's why it's green, but it'll be covered by these colors. Sometimes I spread the base with palette knife, but I'm not going to use that today. I only have so much paint here, so I want to make sure that I have enough to cover the canvas. I have another color too that I might use. It's metallic cerulean blue. I don't know if I'm going to use it or not. Oh, I have white as well. I have it in this little bottle at the end after I do all the leaves on here, all the color. I add a little bit of white and swipe with that. Oh, I did forget. I have metallic gold that I put in a little bottle, and I'm going to be applying the branches with this color here. Okay, I'm going to begin with spraying the water on the canvas. And I will be putting some music on while I do this. Hi, I'm back with the dried result. It dried really nice. Stayed exactly the same as when it was wet. I'll zoom in for you. I wasn't trying for cells, but I got a few cells. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye for now.